everyone, today I will be showing you how to create a hard drive partition and also extend a hard drive. So let's begin. The first thing you want to look for is disk management in the Windows menu. In order to do that, you go to the start button down here, right click and select disk management. Also, I'm going to drag this out bigger for you to read. So this should be big enough here. Now you want to create a partition, select a drive, you click shrink volume, enter how much. Let's say you want to go 100 gig or so, you click shrink, 97 gig here. You click new sample volume, continue, assign a letter H, call it test. This is just our test hard drive. You click finish. Now, in order to find the hard drive you just partitioned, you go to your File Explorer, and here is 97 gig, 0.5. Now, in order to delete that partition and put the other drive back, you click Delete Volume. Yes, you want to delete. Now, you click Extend Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Again, you click Finished. Now basically what that hard drive has done, it has given you your space back to the current hard drive. Now that's out of the way. Let's say for an example you wanted to encrypt a hard drive. Note, this only works with Windows 10 Pro or above. I'm not too sure. If you want to do a hard drive encryption, you go to select any drive. For example, I'm going to do D. Right? You right click on D. You click turn BitLocker on. Now it's starting BitLocker. Now you want to choose how to do it. You can either use a smart card. Now, you only do this if you actually have a smart card for your PC or laptop. Or you can use a passcode. So let's say you wanted to do like an easy passcode of this, right? Like this one. You don't use this passcode. You use this. You click next. You need Okay, I see. Right. Okay, I need to create a password. Right? How do you want to back up? You could say save to your Microsoft account, save to a USB stick. If you save to a Microsoft account, it'll save to your account. You click next. You got two options. You can either encrypt to use disk space only, faster and best, or you could encrypt the entire drive slower, but best for PCs and drivers that are already in use. So you click this one. Now, select which encryption mode. Now, you want to have compatible, because if you use an old hard drives, then you're going to run into problems. So if you click compatible mode, are you ready? Encryption might take a while depending on the size. Until encryption is complete, your files will not be protected. So basically, you get this here. So it's going to take a while. All we can do now is wait for the process. I will be back when this process is finished, because it can take at least a few hours. So I will be back when it's done. Okay everyone, I'm back. The encryption failed halfway on my hard drive, so I encrypted my SSD as an example. So basically, when your encryption is done, you will have a padlock right here. Basically, and you click on the drive, and voila. But normally, if you plug something into it, it'll ask for a password. Like, you can change BitLock password old. You can manage BitLock. See? Add smart card, turn on auto unlock, turn off BitLock. You can even BitLock your memory stick if you wanted to. BitLock is really good for security measurement. It stops people accessing your personal data on your computer, and it's really handy if you don't know what to see what you're working on. It could be good for companies, but there's also downsides to it. Like, if you forget your password, then it could be a pain to reset. It's 50-50, I'd say, about it. But that's how you encrypt your drives. I will be doing a video soon on installing Windows 10 on a laptop or computer when I get the time. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. Hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel to see new tech videos. Also drop a comment below to think what you would like to see next, or how could I improve this video. Until then, this is your boy Jibs Roberts. Peace out.